Good morning, all of you. Now we are studying about automobile industries. This is the most important industry because if we are talking about globalization, the major role played by automobile industry, IT industry. So now today we will discuss these industries. Automobile industry. It provides vehicle for quick means of transport for goods, services, and passengers. Trucks, buses, cars, motorcycles, scooters, three-wheelers, and multi-utility vehicles are manufactured in India at various centers. And when India adopts new economic policy, that is liberalized policy, the coming in of new and contemporary models, because we have joined with many new companies, many foreign companies. Like we have studied about how Mahindra and Mahindra collaborated with Ford company. So now, after liberalization, the coming in of new and contemporary models stimulated the demand for vehicles in the market, which led to the healthy growth of the industry, including passenger cars, two and three-wheelers. This industry has experienced a quantum jump in less than 30 years because we have adopted this policy, new economic policy, in 1991. FDI, foreign direct investment, brought in new technology and aligned, that means joint venture, the industry with global developments. Now at present, there are 15 manufacturers of passenger cars and multi-utility vehicles, 9 of commercial vehicles, 14 of the two and three-wheelers, and basically this industry is located around Delhi, Gurgaon, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur, and Bangalore. Now we will discuss about IT, that is information and technology and electronic industries. As we cannot imagine our life without IT, without electronics. So electronic industries covers a wide range of products from transistor sets to television, telephones, cellular telecom, pagers, telephone exchange, radars, computers, and many other equipments required by the communication industry. Now, Bangalore, which is emerged as a electronic capital of India. Other IT centers, important centers for electric goods are Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, and Coimbatore. And in India, 2010-11, about 46 software technology parks of India has set up in different centers of India. The major industry concentration is at Bangalore, Noida. I think we all are aware about Noida, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Pune. And the major impact of this industry had been on employment generation. Now, maximum people of the country is engaged in tertiary sector, and out of that, IT sector play an important role in this. It is encouraging to know that maximum women, about 30% of the people employed in this sector are women. And this industry has been a major foreign exchange earner because maximum MNCs are there. As we can see in Noida, we can see in Gurugram. So these industries earn foreign exchange in the last 30 years, and the major role played by outsourcing, that is business processing outsourcing sector, because India is having a skilled and English speaking youth. So the continuing growth in the hardware and software is the key to the success of the industry, IT industry in India. Now, whenever we are talking about industry, industrial development is associated with pollution also. So whenever we are talking about industries, of course, relate on pollution, environmental degradation. So industries contribute significantly to India's economic growth and development. But not only development, it increases in pollution of land, water, air, noise, and resulting degradation of environment that have caused cannot be overlooked. Industries are responsible for four types of pollution, which we will discuss: air, water, land, noise, and thermal. Now, we will discuss all these pollution causes. How does this harm? Air pollution. It is caused by presence of high proportion of undesirable gases, as nowadays we can experience in Delhi. That is not due to the industries, but air pollution is increasing, and the major role is played by, that is, agriculture activities, parali, which is coming from other states. And undesirable gases like sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide, airborne particles, materials contain both solid and liquid particles like dust, sprays, mist, and smoke. So small factories ignore pollution norms. Toxic gas leaks can be very hazardous with long-term effects, and we all are aware about the Bhopal gas tragedy. Air pollution adversely affects human health, animals, plants, buildings, and the atmosphere as a whole. Now, water pollution. It is also caused by organic and inorganic industrial waste and effluents discharged into rivers, and the main role played by paper, pulp, chemical, textile, and dyeing, petroleum refineries, etc. It is due to this, it affects the aquatic animals also. Now, thermal pollution. Thermal pollution of water occurs when hot water from factories and thermal plants is drained into rivers and ponds before cooling. This also affects aquatic life. Waste from nuclear power plants, nuclear and weapon production facilities cause cancers, birth defects, and miscarriages. Soil and water pollution are closely related. Dumping of waste, especially glasses, harmful chemicals, industrial effluents, packaging, salts, and garbage renders the soil useless. Now, most important pollution of the city is noise pollution. Noise pollution, it is caused because of industrial construction activities, machineries, factory equipments, generators, etc. It is not only results in irritation and anger, it can also cause hearing impairment, increased heart rate and blood pressure, among other psychological effects. Unwanted sound is an irritant and a source of stress, but not only problems, we have to think about the solution also. And the solution is how can we control environment, environmental degradation. Every liter of wastewater discharged by our industry pollutes 8 times the quantity of fresh water. So how can the industrial pollution of fresh water be reduced? That you can also give some suggestions, but we are providing some suggestions like water resources can be regulated by law and use of new technologies. Air pollution can be reduced by fitting smoke stacks and using oil or gas instead of coal. Noise pollution can be reduced by fitting machines and equipments with silencers. Energy efficient can be increased by redesigning the machinery. Now, we will discuss about some steps taken by NTPC. NTPC, that is a National Thermal Power Corporation, is a major power providing corporation in India. And they have also given some guidelines to protect environment. And that is